Let's roll.
Alright. Not ready yet, but it was a cantaloupe.
There's a cantaloupe. We got some seeds at least. They're baby seeds, but
They look mature.
show them the outside.
But it's too cold, so that means we planted cantaloupe too late.
Yes, we did.
Yeah. Because there's no way it will grow past this date. Just, yeah.
Honeydew?
Yeah, but it ain't ready yet. I can tell because it's hard. Tastes like a cucumber.
No.
You want to taste it? Here. It smells like a cucumber.
See this?
Had to dip them things in some hummus.
No. Bye.
How was it?
It don't taste like nothing.
Go ahead. Ooh, that one looks a little better.
These seeds look like they. The only thing is, if it was cross-pollinated, I ain't trying to put these seeds in.
Is it good?
Tastes like a cucumber.
You strong, girl. And you don't got no shoes on. Push. So we are on our way to feed the chickens. Here, hold this. So this is black seed. This is black sunflower seeds, and it helps the chickens grow a thick layer for this upcoming cold season. It ain't gonna get that cold, I feel. Ooh, child, how y'all ladies and gentlemen doing? I got something for y'all. They love these. All right. Here, Marley. Come here. Here. Grab some and throw them. Grab some. Throw them. Throw them in. Throw them. Throw them. Good job. Whoosh. Throw them. Good job. Throw them far. Grab them. Here, look. Throw them far like whoosh. Yeah. Whoosh. Make sure they get enough. You don't need that. But you can throw them with that. I like to throw some to the other birds too. Because God's always got to feed all the birds. Hope some of these are going to pop, watch. I like to throw them a little everywhere so they have just some scratching to do, some, you know. All right, hold on. All right, come over here. Leave them. We got to... Oh, they ain't water straight, but what I usually do, this is the water. You can throw some more. Go ahead, throw some more. Even though they know how to use it, they be, for some reason, I don't know why chickens, they just poop everywhere, like in the water, in their food. They don't even care. Don't drop them, Marley. Look at her carrying. We got to take some to the bird feeder. You ready? All right, come with me. Come this way. Look at Daddy. Good job. Let's go. We got to fill up the bird feeder. These are the buckets, green buckets that for free. You can look on our YouTube, look up Garden Treatz green buckets, and you will find out how we get these green buckets for free. It's a beautiful thing, and we use them for our backyard brunch event for directing parking, so they can be used for a variety of different things. Come on, sweet girl. Let me carry him. Let me see. All right, come here. Let me pick you up. So we can get to this bird feeder. Yeah, we gotta put some in the bird feeder because we like seeing our beautiful birds. Y'all see that? That's the big white willow, the fertility tree. The heck was that? Y'all heard that? I heard something up in there. Uh-oh. I don't know what that is. I'm going ahead and stay back. You heard that too, Woo? Oh no, hey, it must be them chickens. So, you know, some sad things happened at the Garden Treatz farm. We had six baby chicks, and one of them died, and 3 of them got away. So they might end up just turning into vultures. What y'all think? I think chickens that got away end up turning into vultures. So this is our bird feeder right here. We're gonna fill up. All right, 1 second. Oh, 1 second, Mama. Just pop the lid up. Hold on. Oh, they poured everywhere. Oh well. The birds like to get them anywhere and everywhere. On top, on the bottom. A bird feeder field. All right, come on. You ready? What's up, Woo Woo? This is Woo, y'all. We love to play. The Garden Treatz trailer. We're gonna be up and running soon. Look us up on Happy Cow. Smoothies, cold pressed juice, smoothie bowls, mac and not cheese, red beans and rice. Pull up on us. Pull up on us. Say pull up on me. Pull up on me. Say patience, preparation, practice, persistence. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
You're not coming out. Back. Man, let me show you what these dogs did to the yard. Like, dogs are so destructive. We gotta build them a new place to be destructive because hey, back up. All right. Excuse me, y'all. All right, now look. More green buckets. This is a fig tree, y'all. My first time ever having fresh figs was this year. So was Marley. She had figs for the first time, and I haven't had figs. That's the first time I ever had a fresh fig in my life, which is amazing. And she had it already. More green buckets. This is pineapple sage. It smells so good. It smells so good. Smell. Smells so good. That's another fig right there. Look, they eating the pumpkins, but look what they did to the yard, y'all. Terrible. And I've been supposed to show y'all this. This is our lemon tree. Look at that. Terrible. She gorgeous. We got this lemon tree in Texas. We had it for about 3 years now, and she is producing lemons. And we've been using them. They're about time to come off, so we'll go ahead and harvest one. I'm about to make some lavender lemonade. Go ahead and grab that up off there. Get the rest of them later. That's an orange tree. Another lemon tree. Pineapple. That's a lime. That's another lemon. This is the olive tree. This is another orange tree. All these are gonna get repotted and put into the sunroom. Look how spiky she is. They gotta protect themselves. Hey. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out, please, go. Chill out, damn. Y'all bugging. Go. They just want to play, always. But yeah. I appreciate y'all for coming by the Garden of Treats. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video, and we'll see y'all next time. Say see you later.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.